All right, we got something very different today. We have a very bright, one of the brightest cars we've done for a very long time, and it happens to be on his Urus SE. This car right here, unfortunately, I don't know why Lamborghini did this. They designed the car way softer than the previous. You can see the front bumper looks a little bit shorter because it is. There's no real front lip going on in there. And this customer, all of this right here you see was black. So everything here was black previously. And he wanted to liven up the car because there is no wide body kit out there yet. And he wants to be one of the first. But for now, I wanted to paint a lot of the black trims just to like spice it up. We left this, as you can tell. So the front end looks a little bit more aggressive than stock form. We painted all these moldings right here as well because they were black. We painted the entire rocker panel molding down there. That was also black. Continuing with the rear flares and the back. The back of this car, I mean, for the years, the back has been more of my favorite than the front. But I mean, look at the back of this SE. It's pretty gnarly, honestly. But they made the rear bumper section super large. The diffuser is literally massive. And this whole thing was black before. And when it was black, it really took away from the rear appearance. It made it look more like a Porsche, I would say. So we painted all the bottom diffuser so it looks bigger and thicker, obviously. This used to be black, this mesh right here. This is painted in that Oronchio Ego color, but in satin. And obviously this color, as you can see, you probably saw on our Instagram, was shiny before. It was actually a gloss orange. So we did a full satin PPF on it, stealth clear bra, several names for it, paint protection film. So we made the gloss turn into satin after we obviously painted all that stuff. And honestly, it looks really cool. The back end is very nice in my opinion. And the Urus SE makes a few different noises than the previous Urus, which is really cool. A little update there. Interior has been updated with the center console, stuff like that. But I mean, I still love my Urus. The old Urus, what do you want to call it, Gen 1, is still such a great car. So much more to come on this. This is gonna get wide-bodied pretty soon, end of August, maybe beginning of September. We're gonna do wheels on it, we're gonna lower it, all that stuff. But for now, this customer wanted to spice it up a little bit, have some fun. So we did all that work. And mind you, this paint color, one of the most difficult paint colors to match in the world. So pretty proud of it.
Chop suey. All right, you guys, we have a Range Rover here, 2023 Range Rover. You don't see this too much. I mean, not this early at least. This is a very rare problem. So this car had a couple of cooling lines, plastic pieces. At the end of the day, they are plastic, so it is very possible. Car has about 30,000 miles. Car came in with a big coolant leak. Yes, it's almost new, but still has a coolant leak. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the parts right now. Probably end of the day, we'll have this car ready. Test it, make sure we'll go test drive. Daniel's doing it. Daniel's the first one actually to work on this car. Good job, Daniel. I'm proud of Daniel. And original factory, of course, Range Rover parts. We have the sticker on here. And that's basically it. So Daniel's gonna start right now. Daniel's son is his name.
Here's our CEO.
The plate to the car is a Rolls Royce.
Shut up.
No, I'm just kidding. I thought it was it though. It's not it. Imagine.
We lost the plate, guys.
The guy is, I guarantee you the guy's correct. It's here somewhere.
No, it's not. If he brings the car, I will pull it out of the
They
back.
checked everywhere. The guy's not even talking to us anymore.
That was a good plate.
Well, it is Revuelto time. Hello, folks. We have 3 Revueltos at the shop right now. That's pretty crazy. 2 of them are in the matte gray color, and here we have a matte black Neo Nemesis color. But this one, as you guys know, has a full Duke Dynamics body kit on there. It has wheels, it's lowered, it has exhaust, and it screams. It's very, very loud, and it looks insane. Honestly, this is probably the most insane looking car out there nowadays. If you want something that's gonna look like a jet, unreal. We were at the gas station, and every single person at the gas station was out of their cars taking videos and pictures, which, you know, we see people obviously gawk over cars, but this one is a little bit different. This one doesn't look real. It's legit. The license plate has a Batmobile symbol because it does look like a Batmobile. Pretty crazy. All satin carbon fiber. However, it's here for a lot of touch-ups and fixes. This car is gonna head out to Monterey, and he wants to clean it up. The front end is chewed up, drives pretty aggressive. This is not a garage car. This car gets used, so it needs some love. We're gonna be fixing for him, and that's really it on this one. However, that Revuelto over there, which you see is matte gray, is going to actually look almost exactly like this car behind me. That is going to turn into matte black, and it is actually getting the Duke kit as well. So that is gonna be pretty much an identical car except for the wheels, and that's gonna head to Vegas. So a lot of Revueltos heating up, a lot of Urus SEs heating up, and new Cullinans. So any of these cars you guys have, you gotta send it to RDB to make it unique, personalized for you.
Fight like Chihuahua, didn't I?
You fight like Chihuahua.
Okay, let me bring it. We're taking this G-Wagon to the back. We have to take out the rear bumper
We gotta take him out.
for rear bumper inspection. And we gotta see what kind of damages there are in the back. We're gonna give the car to the one and only Mr. Javier Salazar so he can do the honors for us. Here we go.
This is an old one, huh?
There's an older G-Wagon. The difference between these and the new ones, man, the new ones,
Day and night.
it feels like an S class, and it feels like exactly this, but an S class. The performance of an S class, which is a huge difference. So, yeah, I don't know how they used to drive these. Jesus.
It's like so bulky.
Yeah, the van's more comfortable than this. Hey guys, a couple of hours back here. Came to check and see what Daniel's doing. Daniel has the hose in there already. He is starting to, we have it here, our new one's here. He is starting to put everything together, assemble everything. The most important, Jesus. The most important thing is we're going to have to bleed the system. This car has 2 bleeders, so it's a little complicated. You gotta make sure everything's good. When they're supposed to work, they don't work, and when they're yeah, this is the first time taking the thing apart. But yeah.
Kevin Hart's brother.
Huh?
That's Kevin Hart's brother.
Yeah. Kevin Hart. But yeah, we're putting everything back together. We're gonna try it, test it, make sure there's no leaks. And this is a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Fuck.